In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a review on Booking.com. If you've recently completed a stay and want to share your experience, Booking.com makes the process fairly simple. Leaving a review can help other travelers know what to expect, and it also gives the property useful feedback. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your account to find the option. To get started, open Booking.com in your browser. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed into the account you used to make the reservation. This is important because reviews are generally connected to completed stays booked through your account. After that, look toward the top area of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can access your personal settings and travel details. If you don't immediately see the review option, don't worry, it's usually located inside your account area rather than on the main homepage. From the menu, click on My Account. This will take you to the section where Booking.com stores your account information, booking history, and other travel-related details. It's essentially the main hub for managing your reservations and activity. Next, click on Trips and Bookings. This is the key section you'll need if you want to leave feedback for a property you stayed at. Inside this area, you should be able to find your completed reservation. Booking.com may also send you an automated email after your stay with a direct link to leave a review, but if you prefer doing it manually, this account section is the place to go. Once you locate the stay you want to review, select the option to rate your stay for that specific property. From there, Booking.com will guide you through the review form. You'll typically be able to give an overall rating, often on a scale from 1 to 10, and in some cases add category scores for things like cleanliness, comfort, staff, location, or value for money. There is usually also space to add written comments, which is helpful if you want to explain what went well or what could have been better. As a quick tip, try to keep your review clear, honest, and based on your actual experience. Specific comments are usually the most helpful for both future guests and property owners. And that's it. That's how to write a review on Booking.com. Once you submit your feedback, your review will be processed and may appear on the properties page afterward.